Hello, my name is Benin Lopez. I'm here to show you our blister card, which is a unit dose. Here at Galt Pharmacy, we use this to help patients stay compliant with their medication and remember to take them. Here we can see the pharmacy's information, address, phone number, patient information, RX number, expiration date. Here we have the name of the medication, the strength, the amount of medications. Here we have the orders to take them by mouth, one by mouth every day. How many refills are left? On this side, we have important information for the patient to take into account. How to take the medication and any possible side effects. Here we can see we start the month, depending on the month, it can have 30 to 31 days. This is an effective way for patients to remember to take their medications. Depending on the day, we can start with day 1 of the month, going through 30 or 31, depending on the month.